A dog's golden years are a time to cherish, but they can also bring some new challenges along with them. Our senior dogs often face a number of health problems that may include and is not limited to vision and hearing issues, joint pain, losing control over his bladder, gaining excessive weight, and suffering from seizures, memory loss, and dental issues. Being a pet parent, you always wish that quality of your pet's life should never be compromised. In this course, we will discuss how you can manage your dog suffering from any of these age-related ailments. We would even look at the possible symptoms and the underlying causes to understand and manage these issues in a better way. Further, you will also get to know the diet suggestions to combat these age-related issues. I am Aman Gupta, a passionate pet lover and founder of a pet care company. I am here to share my knowledge on how to make the golden years of your older canine better. I welcome you all and hope to see you in the next lecture.